A cute shopping trip with Mommy. Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I am a very busy mom. Saturday is my favorite day of the week. Do you know why? Today is my shopping date with my cute little daughter Lily. We always have so much fun together. Let's go shopping with us. To begin with, we visit the dairy aisle. I pick up a carton of fresh milk. I carefully check the expiration date. It is important to buy fresh food. Then I notice Lily also picks up a small strawberry milk. She mimics my face and looks very serious. You know what is fun? She cannot read the numbers yet, but she looks like a real professional. All right, let's take both cartons of milk. Afterwards, we walk to the fashion corner. I try on a blue floral dress. Aw, the flowers on the dress are very pretty. I can't stop looking at myself in the big mirror. Wow, it is so pretty, Mom, Lily says. She claps her hands with joy. Then she runs to the clothing rack. Oh, what is she doing? Oh my, Lily manages to find an identical dress in a tiny size. We stand together in front of the mirror. We put our hands on our hips, tilt our heads at the same time. Aw, we look like twins in the mirror. Let's take these beautiful floral dresses. Next, we move to the produce section. I am busy looking at my shopping list. Let me see. Milk, done. Dresses, done. I keep pushing the cart away and do not stop. Ouch! What is wrong? As I look up, I see Lily stopping the cart with her small hands. She crosses her arms and looks at me. Mom, we forgot the greens, she says. Oh my, she uses my strict voice and tone. I laugh loudly because she sounds just like me when I make her eat the salad. You are right, Lily, I reply with a smile. Eventually, we put some green broccoli in. This is a great way to teach a kid to never forget the healthy food. Before we leave the mall, we pass by the bakery area. The smell of fresh bread is amazing. Wow, look at that strawberry cake. It has thick white cream on top. Both of our eyes are fixed on it. We do not say any words. We just look at each other and nod. Great minds think exactly the same. Let's buy it for our dessert, I say. Yay! I love strawberry cake, Lily jumps. Yay! We are both so happy. Even the baker is laughing as he watches us having our silly mother-daughter moment. Finally, we go to the checkout counter. Lily stands on her toes to reach the counter. Oh, cash or card, little lady? The cashier asks Lily. Lily quickly says, "We will pay with cash today." She hands the money to the cashier straight away. The cashier counts the money and gives the change back. Lily carefully puts the receipt in her small pocket. Aw, she is so proud of herself as a big girl. Thank you, see you again, both of us speak to the cashier. The cashier smiles warmly. Oh, look at you two, she says. You are like two peas in a pod. Lily giggles and holds my hand tightly. We walk out of the supermarket together. I look at my sweet little girl and smile. Lily knows how to shop and what to buy. She is polite to the cashier and very helpful. I realize that she is growing up so fast. She is becoming a smart and kind young lady. My daughter is becoming just like me every day. Like mother, like daughter. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What is Sarah's favorite day of the week? Answer. Saturday is Sarah's favorite day of the week. Question 2. What did Lily do when they visited the fashion corner? Answer. Lily found an identical dress in a tiny size. Question 3. What did Sarah remind Lily to buy in the produce section? Answer: Lily reminded Sarah to buy greens. Question 4. What did Sarah and Lily decide to buy for dessert? Answer: They decided to buy a strawberry cake. Question 5. How did Lily feel when she paid for the items at the checkout? Answer: Lily felt proud of herself as a big girl. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.